morning, students. The next topic is respiration in plants. Okay, respiration in plants. So, do you think plants also take respiration? Do plants respire? Do plants take breathing? Definitely yes. Plant is also a living organism. So, plant is also taking breathing. Plant is also respirating. Okay, plants are also respirating. So, we know that plants take carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Okay, we know that plants, what they do? They take in carbon dioxide. And what they do? They release. So, they are taking carbon dioxide and what they are doing? They are releasing oxygen. Okay, plants are taking carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. We know this. But I am telling, plants will take oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Okay? So, see, don't get confused. Plants will definitely take carbon dioxide and release oxygen. This process is nothing but photosynthesis. And while doing respiration, plants will take oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Okay? So, respiration. While doing respiration, plants will take oxygen and release carbon dioxide like us only. So, plants will take oxygen and release carbon dioxide in respiration. So, we will see the differences between photosynthesis and respiration also, how they differ and what are the major differences between. Let us first know what are the respiratory organs in the plants. How does the respiration takes place? Does plants have any special respiratory organs in them like animals? Does they have lungs? Does they have gills? No. So what are the respiratory organs present in the plants? Okay, up to now we know now that plants also take respiration. Plants also do respiration process. They also take oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Then how does this process takes place? So in your lower classes you have studied that gases exchange takes place in plants through takes place through what? So how does gases exchange takes place in plants? Through stomata present in the leaves. Okay, gases exchange takes place in the plants through stomata present in the leaves. So oxygen enters through stomata and respiration goes on, and carbon dioxide is also released into the atmosphere through stomata. So in leaf, gases exchange takes place through stomata. We know this. Okay. Now what about other parts of the plant? Like stem, roots. How does the respiration occurs in these parts? So along with stomata, the other respiratory organs are lenticles. Lenticles present on the stem and the root hairs present on roots. Okay, so in stomata are present on the green parts of the plant, on the leaf, mainly on the leaf. So gases exchange takes place through the stomata in the leaf. Then what about stem and root? Stomata are not present on the stem. Then how does the gases exchange takes place in the stem? It's not that only the leaf is the respiratory part, no, entire plant should take respiration. Okay, so lenticles, stem observe small dots on the stem. Small dots on the stem. They are nothing but lenticels. Okay, they are nothing but lenticels. Okay, so through lenticels present on the stem, gases exchange takes place. Next, root hairs. Root hairs. You know that root. This is our root. You will have small hair-like structures like this. Root hairs. Okay. These root hairs will absorb, helping gases exchange and supply oxygen to the root. They absorb the oxygen, air from the soil particles. The air will be present between the soil particles. So this is our soil particles. So if you think the air is present in between these, the air will be present in between the soil particles. So the root hairs will absorb this. The root hairs will absorb this air present in between the soil particles and gives the oxygen to the roots. So the respiratory organs in the plant are what? So the respiratory organs in plants are one, stomata, two, lenticels, stomata in leaf, lenticels on stem and branches also. Next, root hairs. Root hairs on root. So these are the respiratory organs present in the plants. These are the respiratory organs present in the plants. Clear? So now, how does the gases exchange takes place in these parts of the plant? How does the gases exchange takes place in these parts of the plant? Now we will see conduction within the plant. Okay, conduction within the plant.